This is now my second time making this video because the first time I made the video, the audio completely broke. So we're going to hope and pray that that's not the case during this video. And if you're new to my channel, girl, welcome to this hot mess. We're trying to get it together, but technology is not with us during this quarantine time. It's just... Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be doing a full face glam look using one of my favorite brands, Juvia'S. If you don't know about this brand, girl, I'm about to put you on, so hold on tight. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you haven't already, girl, hit that subscribe button. I know you keep coming back. I know you're tempted to hit that button. It's just a reminder. It's right there. Alright, so let's get started. To start off this look, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and although it's not Juvia'S, it is affordable, about $8, and you can get it at Target. It's one of my favorite primers. This is what it looks like, and I just take it and I rub it all over my face. So now once you have your primer on your face, you're ready for some foundation. I'm going to be using the Juvia'S I Am Magic foundation. This is a very full coverage matte foundation. I'm using the shade 540 Giza, and I'm going to show you how much I'm going to use. That's it. I'm going to use the foundation on half of my face just because I am breaking out, and I want to show you guys how you don't need to use color corrector for this foundation, even though I typically do, especially when I'm breaking out. But this foundation is just so full coverage, like, it's insane. I cannot wait to show you like how crazy this looks. And this was one dab on my beauty blender, and I'm just patting it on one side of my face just so you guys can see the difference. And trust me, there is a difference. Whew. Okay, so this is the side with foundation. It covered up all my pimples, all my acne scars, and I haven't even used concealer yet. Now, this is what my bare skin looks like without any makeup on, and it's looking rough. It's looking a little bit crazy. So let's cover that up with the rest of the foundation that I have left. So now that my foundation is in place, I am ready to conceal. I'm going to be using the Juvia'S I Am Magic Concealer underneath my eyes, and in my highlighting points, this is shade 19. So we're going to use our highlighting shade right underneath our, eyes, okay, where we typically conceal, where our dark circles like to torture us. Now that we are beautifully concealed, I'm going to let this sit on my face for about 2 minutes. You want to let your concealer set because it will help with the creases before you blend it in with the Beauty Blender sponge or whatever makeup sponge you use. So now that we let our concealer set, we're ready to blend it in. So we're just going to take our sponge, look up to the sky, and blend it in. The next step that I'm going to take is I'm going to bake. And now you might be asking, does Juvia'S have powder? Yes, they do, girl. They do have baking powder. This is what the powder looks like. This is the shade White Sands. I'm going to take my beauty sponge. I'm just going to dab it, and I'm going to press it right underneath the eye area. I really do like this powder because it is fine. It is completely blending and melting into the foundation and the concealer. So I'm going to let that baking powder set. And while that sets, I'm going to do my eyebrows off of camera because I'm not using a Juvia'S product, and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to be using the Patrick Star MAC Baby It's Cold Outside Skin Finishing Powder to kind of dust off that baking powder and make my skin look nice and bronzy with a little sparkle. So now I'm ready to use my next product from Juvia'S. This is the foundation sticks, which I actually use as contour sticks. So I have two shades. I have Cameroon, which looks like this. Okay, I'll swatch it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. It's a really nice muddy contour shade for me. And I Mozambique. Favorite shade to contour with. I actually ended up getting 2 because I get a little bit darker in the summer. So now I'm just gonna contour like I regularly do. Make sure you bring that up to the top of your ear, right? And then you're gonna make like a 3 right here, connect that, bring that over, boom, 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 make it 3, and bam. That's how I contour my face. And I'm going to get this third quarantine chin out of the way. Bye-bye, no more. I'm gonna contour my nose. Okay, and now we are ready to blend it in. To blend it all in, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill JH12 brush, and I'm going to dab it in, bring it to the top. I really do like these foundation sticks as contour sticks because they blend so nicely. Usually I'm using my Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio, which I also love, but in this case, I really like the way that these blend. Really, really like the way that this blends. It just looks very, very natural. I love that. To blend the nose contour, I'm going to be using the Morphe M456 brush, and I'm just going to blend this, go right up here, and blend it to my eyebrows. So now I'm going to take some of the I Am Magic concealer to snatch my contour. So now that my face is contoured, snatched, I have my base on, I am ready to start working on these eyes. Alright guys, so I have 4 palettes from Juvia'S Place. I absolutely love these palettes. One of my favorites is the Warrior by Juvia'S. This is for your natural girls, your girls who just want a quick smoked, beautiful look. Very, very workable shades in here. It's all like neutrals and like gold and champagne colors. I really do love this palette. This is the Masquerade Mini by Juvia'S. This is beautiful because it has so many bright colors, but it has like a row of neutrals and then a row of brights. I'm not going to use this again because I just did a look with this and I'm ready to move on. This is Zulu by Juvia'S. This palette is freaking gorgeous. The cover, the artwork is so beautiful. It actually, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it has like this holographic look to it. And then when you open it, look at these colors, girl. Look at the colors. They're just so, so pretty. Like, and everything about this palette, I love it. So this is the one that we will be using today to create a look. Another palette that I have for you girls who like green gold shades, turquoise too, is the Tribe by Juvia'S. This palette is freaking gorgeous. So those are the palettes that I own and I cannot wait to buy more. One thing that I do have to say about these palettes that you have to be aware of when you buy them is that some colors do stain your eyes. I actually had a little bit of eye staining at the beginning of the video if you want to rewind back and check it out. I'm going to start off with this brown color and we're just going to tap this all over our lid. Okay. Alright, so in the comment section below, please let me know if you have Juvia'S Place, like what's your favorite product from them, because I don't have everything from them, but I have a lot. I'm going to use this orange shade. I'm switching it up completely. Like this is completely different look from what I had before. And I'm just going to take that orange and pack it on my outer V. And I'm going to bring it up while I'm tapping it to blend it in. The same brush. This is actually from my Naked palette. And I'm going to bring it up here, almost in the center. Just like that. I'm going to blend it up. I have hooded eyelids, so I typically bring my I typically bring my eyeshadow really high up. Going closer towards the center, I'm going to start with this pop of yellow because I need it in my life. Let's get this brush right here. I'm going to be using the JH44 brush. I'm going to grab this yellow right here. It's beautiful yellow. I love the yellow in this palette. And I'm kind of just going to bring this yellow from the inner corner all the way up. Just like that. Ooh. the difference that yellow made? Ugh, so good. Now I'm gonna switch it up because I'm gonna add some color underneath. I wanna use a lot of these colors on this palette. So I am going to take the Jaclyn Hill 39 brush, take this purple color, and I'm going to drag this honey right underneath my eye. Boom. Ooh. To take this beautiful green color right here with the same brush, and I'm going to make that the middle. Oh, this is giving me like carnival vibes. And the thing about makeup, like, I want you to understand, especially people who are just starting, is that this is all fun. Especially now when we can't even leave the house, play with it. Figure out what you like. Figure out what you don't like. I'm going to take this blue color right here, which is also like a shimmer color, and I'm going to bring that sucker right. Ooh, yes. I like it. So this is the colorful craziness that I have going on my eyelids right now. I'm going to go off camera and put on some mascara, some under eyeliner, and bring this look to life. Wait for it, girl. You ain't ready. You ain't ready for the transformation. Alright guys, so this is the eye look that I created using the Zulu palette by Juvia'S. Now we're going to add in some highlights. And I'm going to be using the Juvia'S Place Loose Pigment Highlighters. I love these highlighters. They're so beautiful. I'm going to be using the shade Heroin. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star X Morphe JS4 brush. I'm just going to dab it into the highlighter. And I'm going to swipe up, honey. Woo! Oh, woo! Remember, this highlighter is powerful. Now that we highlighted our face, I'm going to highlight the high point of my brow using the same highlighter. I'm going in with the JH42 brush. Ooh. Oh. And to top it off, I'm going to take a dab and pop it right in that inner corner. Alright guys, so to top off this look, we're going to add some blush. This is a Sahara Blush palette by Juvia'S Place. I absolutely love this blush palette. It is so beautiful. I actually mix my blushes. I don't typically go in with one shade. So I'm going to be using Soila with Zoba with some of Lina. Boom, boom, boom. Tap that out. And we are going to just put it on our cheeks. Oh, it's so bright. And then you're going to blend that honey up. Blend it up to the gods. Yes. So now that my eye look is completed, I'm going to be lining my lips with the Kylie Jenner Moon Lip Liner. Now that my lips are lined, I'm going to be adding the MAC Selena Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Big Bertha. This is one of my favorite shades. I actually ordered another one just because I needed it. Love this color. And now to make it sparkle a little bit, I'm going to add another MAC Selena exclusive. This is the Bitty Bitty Bum Bum Lip Gloss. So we're going to take it and we're done. Alright guys, so that is the look I created using the Juvia'S Place collection. The I Am Magic Complexion collection is beautiful. I love the way that it sits on my skin. It sets so pretty and it's super full coverage. It's great, especially now when my skin is like having a moment. Let me know in the comment section below if you have anything from Juvia'S Place and what your favorite product from them is. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe down below, girl. You know it's there. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.